Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study to solve exercise 3.2. Can you see the lecture on the screen, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Find the value of x in the following. We have in last class we have solved 10 question, right? Today we will start to solve question number 11 of exercise 3.2. 3.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 सॉल्व करेंगे हम. First, as you can see, the question is written in logarithmic form. We will convert it into exponent form or like this. अब हम इसको exponent में बनाएंगे. The value which is written in subscript is the base is equal to, this is the exponential form. Okay, हम इसको exponential form में इस तरह लिखेंगे that it becomes the power of, yes, x is equal to 32 and minus 1 upon 2. I have converted logarithm form into standard form. Is there any confusion, class? Hello?
No, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
So here 32, we know that is the power of 2 is 2. When we multiply 2 5 times by 2, answer will be 32. Multiply 2 by, or you can take the LCM. Take the LCM of 32 by 2. You will get 2 power 5. 2 को 2 से 5 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करें, you will get 32. Okay. Here 5 cancelled from 5. X is equal to 2 power minus 1. Okay. Power exponent is in minus form, so we will convert it into positive form. We will take the reciprocal. Class, in denominator of 2, 1. 1 is in denominator, so we will take the reciprocal. Reciprocal, why we are taking? Because 2 has minus negative power, so that's why we will take reciprocal. It become 1 upon, reciprocal means interchange the terms, 2 power positive 1. Okay, and then our final answer will be 1 upon 2. Is there any confusion, class?
No, miss.
No, miss.
This is question number 11. Question number 12 is same. First question is written in logarithmic form. The subscript position is the base on left hand side, right hand side. Like I am writing logarithm form in exponent form. X is equal to, subscript become the base, and minus 3 upon 2 is the power of 4. X is equal to, and right hand side this term is unknown, so we will have to find out the value of x. What should we do, class? How to simplify? Idea any? Tell me, students, tell me.
Miss, bracket 2.
Yes, 4 is contract, contracted,
Power 2
ये contract हो गया, and
minus 3 upon 2.
upon 2. Okay,
So 2 cut.
2 से
2
2
cancel
cancel.
from 2. Now we have
X is
equal to
equals to
2 minus 3.
minus 3.
Minus 3.
So make a power positive, take a reciprocal, it become 1 upon When we shift 2 in denominator, power sign change into plus form, and 2 power 3 means expand 2 3 times means 2, 2 and 2. Like 2 dot 2 dot 2. Answer will be 1
1
upon
upon 8.
8. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
No, miss.
Miss.
Okay. Question number 13. Can you do it by yourself?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Question number 14. Let's see. Question number 14. We have log a 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. Here, first of all, convert the logarithm form into exponent form. Then, you know that in these questions, one thing is unknown and you will have to find out. So here, base is unknown and it become 1 upon 2. Right, class?
Yes.
So for this, first we rearrange the values. Unknown term we will write on left hand side and known terms we will shift on right hand side. Okay, left hand side per unknown and right hand side. Class, is there any possibility to simplify this question? Tell me. Yes, class. Take squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. When we take square on both sides, is equal to 3 power 2. Square cancel from 1 upon 2. 3 3s are 9. This is the answer of question number 14. Is there any confusion, class?
No, miss.
Okay. Question number 15. Can you do it by yourself? Of course, yes. Can you do it?
Yes, miss.
Okay, try to do at your home. If you have any confusion, ask with me. Okay. Solve कीजिएगा, नहीं हो तो फिर मुझसे discuss कीजिएगा. Okay. Question number 16. Let's see. I am changing question number 6. A. No. First we write 1 is equal to a raised to the power 0. Okay. And you know that base raised to the power 0 is equal to जिसकी power 0 हो जाती है, that become 1. This is the answer. There is no need to simplify the question. क्वेश्चन को सिंप्लीफाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आंसर खुद ही है. डन क्लास?
Yes, miss.
स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's move toward the next question. हम next question की तरफ move करते हैं. Question we have question number 20. No, question number 17. Question number 17 we have log under root 5 minus 25 is equal to y. Okay, so it's not a minus 25 class, it's a mistake in the question. It's a root, ये पूरा है. Okay, and then first now convert it into the exponent form, like 25. Okay, 25 is equal to y. Sorry, it's not a y, it's a root 5 power y. Okay, now 25 is the square of 5 is equal to 5 under root 5 means y upon 2. Is there any confusion, class?
No, Miss.
Bases are same. Compare the powers. 2 is equal to y upon 2. Okay, and then because bases are same, so we can compare the powers as we have done in our last class. Y 2 2s are 4. This is the answer of question number 17. Okay, question number 18 is same. Question number 10 19. Let's see question number 19. Okay, I'm solving question number 18. 19 is so easy, so I'm giving you as a homework. मैं इसका homework दे रही हूँ. Okay, next question number 8, so 18, 10 is equal to, yes class, what should be the next step? Tell me, what should we write on left and right hand side? जल्दी से बताइए. Sorry, it's 100.
100.
Yes.
Miss 10
Yes.
power y.
Very good. And then now 100 is the power of,
10.
okay, 10 tens are,
100.
okay. Here you can see the bases are same. So we can compare the powers. Y is equal to,
10 power 2.
y is
2.
equal to 2. Okay. Okay, class.
Yes.
Any confusion?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
No.
Then come toward then question number 19 is homework. Very easy exercise, class. There is no need to difficulty. Question number 20. Question number 20 is quite different, in which you have given find the logarithm of 1728 to the base 2 root 3. Okay. First we the question, first we write the logarithm form, then we will convert into the exponent form, then we will simplify it. Okay, here you have given question number 20. We will use let log let log, and we will write to the base. Means to the base mean we will write it into the subscript position like this. To the base mean we will write this, and the term which is written 1728 we will write with as like this. Okay, on right hand side there is no term, so we will assume x as a right hand side term. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Are you getting my point? We first write the logarithm form of this term of the question, and then now convert the logarithm form according in the exponent form. Exponent form would be, क्या होगी इसकी exponent form? Tell me, hurry up quickly. Yes, class.
Miss 1728
Yes, 1728 is equal to,
power of
no,
is equal to x.
2, no, root 3
Power x.
power x. Okay,
Yes.
this is the exponent form. So now take the LCM of 1728. When we take 1728 LCM, 1728, it become, start from the 2, it become 2, it's a 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 6s are 12, and then 2 10s are 20, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Now 3 is involving here. 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3
Miss,
3.
Miss,
Yes.
2,
2.
Miss 2 के ऊपर
Yes.
मिस एलसीएम किया ना तो 2 ना तो 8 बार आएगा और 3 1 बार आएगा.
1 2 3 4 5 6. No, Urbano. 2 has power 6 is the answer of 2 is written here 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 is written here 6 times. 2 power 6 dot 3 power 3. Okay, class, is equal to, open the bracket, apply the power on each term inside the bracket like this. It become x upon 2. Is there any confusion, class? यहाँ तक कोई problem? Root open 1 upon 2, x 1 the x upon 2. 2
No,
power
miss.
x. Open bracket, apply whole power. Now, class, this is the time to compare the powers separately. We will compare the power separately, like first we compare the power of x, power of 2. 2 से हम compare करेंगे, so we will write x is equal to 6. And then this is the value of x for base 2. Okay. Now compare the power of x, compare the power of 3. These are the power of x. So powers of x, power of 3. 2 is multiplying here. 2 3 is a, when we shift 2 on right hand side, it become left hand side, it become 2 3 is a 6. Both answers are right. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Done? Now see question number 21. 125 to the base 5 root 5. First we write log and then to the base. The wording, after wording the term, we will write in subscript position like this. And 125.
Miss,
Yes.
miss 5 है.
Urbano, yes.
Miss
Say
5 root 5 है.
yes. Under root 5 for under root 5.
Miss,
Hmm.
low.
Log
ऐसे तो आपने
5
6 लिख दिया गलती.
Hmm.
मिस अभी जो हम क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं ना
Hmm.
21
Hmm.
उसमें है 5 रूट 5 और आपने उधर क्वेश्चन में गलती से रूट 6 रूट 5 लिख दिया.
There it's a 5. ये 5 ही है, मुझे पता है. And assume, is there any confusion, class?
No.
Other student Muskan, Aisha.
No, miss.
Okay. Now, class, arrange the terms in the exponent form as like this and make a power y. You know that 125 is the cube of 5. When you multiply 5 by 5 with 3 times, it becomes the power of 5. Open bracket, apply power. No, we don't make, bases are same. So we will write, it has power 1, okay, and root 5 means power dot power 1 upon 2. And then when you add the power, it become 3 dot 5. When you divide 1 upon 2, जब आप 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, it become power 0.5. कितनी बन जाएगी ये पावर? 0.5. And then basis same, powers add. So we will write 1. It become 1 plus 0.5. 1 plus 0.5 become, oops, wait a minute. 1 plus 0.
1.1.
Yes, class. Is there any confusion?
Miss.
Why? So now here we have 5, 3, 5, 1.5, y. Is there any confusion?
No.
Compare the powers. Bases are same. Compare the powers. 1.5 dot y. So we will have to find out the value of y. ये इधर मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. ओके. नाउ क्लास डिवाइड 3 बाय 1.5. 1.5 से आप 3 को डिवाइड कर दें. टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ y. y का आंसर क्या आएगा?
2.
2. Answer of y will be 2. Is there any confusion? See the question one
No.
time. Okay. And then done it? No problem?
Yes. No.
Okay. Then question number 22. 22 we have 0.00001 to the base 0.001. Write the logarithmic form. Log 0.001 to the base. It's a 0.001 is equal to x. Okay, I'm writing it into the exponent form. Exponent form would be, it become a 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3 minus 3. Class, this is the 3 zeros. Okay, I'm shifting here. So it becomes 3, 1 power 1 carry minus 4. Okay. Is there any confusion? And it become 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus, point we are moving here, minus 3. And become power x. Or we can write it as, हम इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं, only 3, 10 involved, because 1 right or not, it's up to us. It become minus 3x. Yes, class. Yeah, remember this? We have studied this, how to convert minus exponent form into, how to write the scientific values. ये 3.1 में हमने किया था. पॉइंट को हम लेफ्ट से राइट पे मूव करवाते थे तो क्या होता था, आंसर हमारा नेगेटिव फॉर्म होती थी. ये याद है आपको क्लास? हेलो स्टूडेंट.
Yes.
कंपेयर
Yes,
द
miss.
पावर्स. हाँ, ओके. Bases are same. Power should be compared. So with equal sign, and it become 4 upon 3. This is the answer of question. Now see the question one time and then we will move further. Done, class? Any question which you want to ask? Good question.
No.
No? Easy exercise?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Any confusion, Muskan? Hello, Muskan. Oh, oops, Muskan is not with us. Okay.
Miss.
Yes.
मिस वो जुम्मे को टेस्ट लिया था उसका क्या हुआ?
I'll tell you later, okay? हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, okay, उर्बानो?
Yes, miss.
I will send you the list, marks, obtained marks. मैं आपको obtained marks उसके बता दूंगी, ठीक है? Okay, now question number 23. Question number 23 you have given. Find the logarithm, find the value of, you have given question is log base, log subscript 8 128. Okay. So convert it into the scientific form like 8. Just a second, class. Just give me a second. Hello students, yes. Log 8 power 128. We will write it 1, no. Oh, yes. We will write 128. Yes, class. What will be the next step? Is equal to
Equals
8
to
x. Because power is not here. Yes, class. Is there any confusion? Or you can assume is equal to x. हम यहाँ पर भी लिख सकते हैं इसको. Done? Okay, 128. Take LCM of 128.
power x
28. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. And 2 4 are 8. And 2 2 are 4. And 2 1 are 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 2 power 7 and 8 is 2 power 3 x. So bases are same. Compare the powers. 7 is equal to 3x. Final answer will be, final answer क्या होगा class? Yes, class. Students, tell me the final answer.
Miss 7 माइनस होगा ना 3 से
No,
4
dear, 3x यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, 3 तो मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो जाके क्या हो जाएगा?
divide.
That is the, this is the answer of our question. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now next question, question number 24. Second last question. Question number 24. 27 is equal to, assume x left hand side is equal to y. Okay, just a second. यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या हो रहा है, ये we will suppose is equal to y, and then we will write it. Now tell me class how to write this equation. ये हम कैसे लिखेंगे? Quickly tell me class.
1/81 1/81 is equals to 27 power y.
1/81. 81 is the power of 3. When you multiply 3 by 4, 3 by 3 by 4 times, it becomes 81. And then on right hand side, it is the power of 27 is the power of 27 is the power of 3. When you multiply 3 by 3, and y is already a power, but here class y is written in 3 is written in reciprocal form as denominator. इसको हम ऊपर लेके आएंगे, then its power become -4 like this is equal to 3 power 3 y. This is same. Compare the powers. -4 is equal to 3y. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसका हमारा? y is equal to, yes class, आंसर क्या होगा हमारा? What will be the answer?
-1.
How? -4/3 is the answer of the question. How can you say that -1? We are not subtracting class. हम इसको subtract थोड़ी करवा रहे हैं. Okay? Are you getting my point, students?
Yes.
It become -4/3. Now the last question of the class. अब हमारा आखिरी क्वेश्चन ये है, is equal to x. फाइनल आंसर, ओके, एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म क्या होगी इसकी? 49 इज इक्वल टू 343x power x. Okay, take the LCM of 343. Take LCM of 343 with 7. 7 के साथ इसका LCM लेंगे, then you will solve it. How? Let's see. 7 1 7. 7 4 28. 34 minus 28. 63. It becomes 7 9 63, and 7 7 49, and 7 1 7. 49 is the power of is the 7 square, and 343 is the cube of 7. Students, are you getting my point? Basis same. Basis same. Compare the powers. Like this, 2 is equal to 3x. Okay, then our final answer will be x is equal to 2/3. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
Done?
Yes.
Hello, Aisha, Hurbano, done?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now dear, this is the time to end the, अभी हमारा काम हो गया complete 3.2. In next class inshallah we will solve 3.3. Okay, so I am taking your attendance. Hurbano is present. Aisha Muhammad Kashif
Present.
and Muskan was present, but suddenly वो उसका कोई connection problem हो गया. Hurbano,
Miss?
yes class, listen to me. Hurbano, there is an important announcement. Make a speech of, prepare your speech about 14 August. Okay, 5-minute speech and send it on in your school group. School group में आपने send करनी है. It's a ma'am instruction. एंड जो आपको स्पीच करनी होगी वो आपके 14 अगस्त का ड्रेस हो सकता है. इट मे बी ग्रीन और वाइट. ओके, नेशनल ड्रेस में आपने करनी है, और ये आज ही सेंड करनी है आप लोगों ने. ओके क्लास?
मिस क्या रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है?
यस डियर, यस, यू कैन रिकॉर्ड योर स्पीच एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो परफॉर्म ऑन national song. लेकिन you are senior student, so make a speech on about 14 August or Pakistan, why you love your country, or okay, ठीक है ना क्लास? पैट्रियोटिज्म, ये आप इंटरनेट पे सर्च कर सकते हैं, और एक अच्छी सी स्पीच आपने बनानी है. ओके क्लास? इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन?
No,
No,
miss.
miss.
ओके, एंड ऑफ द क्लास. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Allah